Hello everybody and welcome to the December tutorial here on Patreon. I've got a nice cup of coffee and everything set up, so let's do this. Today we'll be painting this Christmassy picture with a beautiful Christmas tree and presents in various forms and shapes. If you don't celebrate Christmas, you can still do this tutorial, just get rid of the tree and maybe paint some more presents or in a different setup, different order, and you have a beautiful birthday present type of card. Or if you think the presents will be too difficult for you, you can always just skip the presents and just paint the Christmas tree, and then you'll have a beautiful Christmas card. In this exclusive Patreon tutorial, I will teach you how to paint a simple pine tree, how to use shadows to give an object form and dimension, how to paint soft shadows wet in wet, and how to choose your colors to make your painting look cohesive. Become a member on Patreon to get access to all my exclusive tutorials, or buy separate tutorials in my Patreon shop.